Hi everyone, we are here playing Farm Family Adventure, developed by Century Games PTE. It says that contain ads, has in-app purchases. His rate is 4.6 stars. It's good for everyone. Okay, what's news? The last update was on September 26. You can rate this app, developer contact, email address. About this game, what's new adventure map in chapter 10, new events, hot Halloween events, new features and adjustments. Okay, about this game says rebuild your tropical flower farm and go on wild explorations. Poop your back and roll up your sleeves. It's a game related with farm, adventure. We can decorate your flower farm, start your own farm on tropical island. The environment will be natural. It's free to play and will always be free to play. It's good for anyone, in-game purchases, it contains ads, game info, the version, the compatibility. Okay, its categories are simulation, farming, single player and stylized. Rating and reviews, some comments. Okay, go to play. That shows a screen of presentation, the charging resource, a button of contact or help, need more energy. Okay, the screen of presentation is the characters of the game. It shows that is Halloween's holiday. The title of the game, Family Farm Adventure. We can start or save the progress. We need to add an account, sign in with Facebook, the help button. Okay, go to start.
Hi.
Okay, she is the principal character, is Felicia. She says, Granny, it's so good to see you. Are you okay?
Oh,
Her grandma says, Felicia, sweetheart, you are back. I haven't seen you in ages. I can skip at the top of the screen, but
oh.
continue with the chat. Grandma, yes, I'm fine, my dearie, but poor Hank, I can't find him anywhere. Hank,
Huh?
what? That sounds like. Don't worry, Grandma, I'll go look for him. Maybe it's a dog? Okay, we need to tap the stone, tap the energy to remove it. Okay, the dog is here. The grandma is happy. Hank, thanks goodness you're okay. Hank, he is Hank. Woof. Felicia says everyone here is safe and well, but it seems there is so much more to be done.
Oh.
I think it had a disaster, a earthquake. Grandma says, I know, just look the flower farm. It's a mess after. Felicia, don't worry, Granny. Okay. Tap other boards. Okay, the game gave us some piece of wood. Okay, is the resource that we need to repair, I think. Okay, repair. Tap the order board to see all new orders. We need sunflowers. Tap to find some. Okay, send out. Harvest. Okay, tap on the sunflowers. Okay, only need to drag. Great. Tap an empty file to plan more. Okay, we need to choose the flower and put on the garden. Great. Tap empty file to plan more. Okay. Tap on the garden. Tap again. Okay, we are on the 2 level. The new gift. Okay, we have 30 max plus 100 of coins is currency. Awesome.
Oh. Oh. Uh-huh.
Tap to see the new quest. Check the flower shop. Okay, here we have clear the fallen tree. Tap. Okay, here we are in another place of the map. Felicia says, "Of what a disaster!" Yeah. I can fix it, but I need to find the right materials. There's no time to waste. Okay, check the flower shop, collect some branches, rebuild the flower shop, clear the fallen tree. Flower shop, build. We need to walk to find some materials. Okay, here we have the materials. Okay, collect some branches. Rebuild the flower shop. That's the mission.
Whoa!
Easy peasy. The flower shop is fixed. Let's try to make some flowers. Tap the flower shop. Drag some flowers. Free. Okay. With the flower shop up and running, we will get more flower orders. These orders are our bread and butter.
Um,
Okay, but we shall keep some flowers for the flower festival. Okay. Okay. Land clearing. Okay, on the screen we have the level, the experience, the power, I think, coins. Okay, the shop. Here we have purchases, small pack, basic pack, standard pack, super pack. And here we have the prices, our coins. Hot, more packs will be available soon. Gem, the gems, small pack, basic pack, 40 gems, 105 gems, more. Here we are, some packets of purchases with bonus, some percents of bonus and coins. Here we have the prices. Okay, attention, use gem to buy this pack. Okay, we have 20 gems. So here we have the settings, notifications, support, account, gift code, graphic mode, choose language, some settings, community or ID copied, community. Okay, mail, no announcement. Okay, hold. Here we have some gift out of the the game. Claim. Okay. Reward. Collect some branches. A chest. Whoa, a treasure chest. I wonder what inside. Power. Energy. Keep your ace. Peel it for more of this to keep on exploring. Okay. The inventory. Wood, stone. Log. Can be found in trees like canopy trees. Leaves, branches, grass. Inventory, sunflower bucket. So okay, we need collect some branches. Okay. Level up. Number 3. Some gifts. Flower order. Okay. Complete a entire amount of orders to get extra rewards. Okay. Complete as many orders as possible and your hard work will be rewarded. Okay, send out. We can say that the environment of this game is natural. It's an island. We can see the farm and a sea. So it's natural environment. Okay, continue with the game. We need collect plant sunflowers. Drag.
Huh?
What's up, Hank? Are you looking for something? Hank. Your animal friends. Hank is sad. Poor Hank is still worried. Can you calm him down? We'll be fine. Give a big hug. Hank is feeling better already, and look, he's found a treasure. Gem. Okay. We can buy some coins. Okay, it's not necessary now. Okay, we can try to buy gems with a credit card, telcel billing, Add PayPal, pay at OXXO, redeem code. It's the way for payment. It's the payment method to your Google account to complete your purchase. Okay. You can add purchases directly to your Telcel bill. Okay, purchase cancelled. You have cancelled this purchase. So I think I will buy some gems, not gems, and a small pack of 2000 coins with 20 gems. Use gems to buy this pack. Okay, congratulations, thanks for your purchase, have fun, tap to continue. Inventory. Okay, accelerator, fertilizer, hourglass. Okay, continue.
Oh.
Oh my, even the chicken coop is ruined. Okay, we need to fix. Clean up. Energy.
Huh?
What's that on the ground? Felicia says. A photo from my childhood. Dad must have taken this. I still remember the name of each chick. She remember. Okay, we are on the shop. Chicken coins. Okay. It's a boiled. Chickens. Cost 200. Tap the chicken crop. Chicken feed. Only need tap on the screen to follow the instruction or the steps. Clear the file. Energy. Flowers. 2 chests. Claim. Rebuild the feed mill. Okay, build. Okay, we need some materials. Now we can build this feed mill. Okay, we are on 4th level. So now we need to claim plant core. Send out. Restore. Okay. I can drag this. Okay. Okay, we need more field. Okay. Okay, it's ready. Plant corn. We need plant corn and collect chicken feed from your feed mill. Okay, we need corn. And it collect chicken feed. We need to wait some seconds to have the chicken feed. While we need to claim, clear the file entries.
Yay! Um,
Okay, follow the instructions, clear bush. Repair. Build. Skip. Tap the hunt. Claim. More energy.
oh.
A cinematic. According to an old tale, the star flower only grows in the most dangerous of places. This is a story. Go get them, give up on the flower festival.
Hmm.
Okay, claim. Dock. Rebuild the dock.
Whoa! Oh.
Tap to open the world map. Okay, here we have the old map.
Whoa!
Okay, Felicia says Oh, look how beautiful this place is. Okay, skip. Follow the instructions. Okay. Here we have some energy. Another character. Villager. Energy. Juicer. Okay. We need tap. Claim. More missions.
Wow.
Looks at all these star flowers.
Uh-huh.
New claim. More purchases. Its prices. Treasures. Resources. More missions. Gift. Hems are rare. Hems are a rare currency in the game. TNT instantly removes 200 energy points. Gain 700 energy in total. Okay, more missions. Okay, completed. Level 5 completed. Now level 4 completed. Now we are on a 5th level.
Whoa.
Felicia says, Uncle says, Felicia says, Grandma says. The shop. Okay. Claim. Collect and build. Okay, I think this is all for me. Thank you.